Psychologists say there is one habit controlling your life right now. You didn't choose it. You probably don't even notice it. But it decides who you trust, what you fear, why you repeat the same mistakes, and why change feels so hard. And the scary part? Most people live their entire lives without ever realizing this habit exists. This habit isn't something obvious, like scrolling your phone or procrastinating. It's quieter than that. Psychologists call it your default mental pattern. It's what your brain automatically does when you're not paying attention, how you react instead of respond, how you assume instead of question, how you repeat instead of choose. When you wake up, your brain doesn't ask, "What kind of day should I create?" It presses play on yesterday. Your brain's main job is efficiency, not happiness. Thinking deeply costs energy. Changing behavior costs energy. So your brain saves power by repeating familiar patterns, even if those patterns hurt you. That's why you overthink the same things. You get stuck in similar relationships. You sabotage opportunities you actually want. Your brain would rather stay predictable than be free. The habit is this: reacting automatically instead of consciously choosing. Most people don't live intentionally. They react. Someone ignores your message, you assume rejection. Something goes wrong, you assume failure. You feel uncomfortable, you escape instead of facing it. Over time, reactions become personality. Personality becomes identity. Identity becomes destiny. That's how one invisible habit quietly controls your entire life. Look closely and you'll see it everywhere. Staying quiet when you should speak, getting angry when you should pause, giving up when things get uncomfortable, choosing what feels familiar over what feels right. People think they're just like this. Psychologists say that's not personality. That's conditioning. Here's the truth most people never hear. You are not controlled by your thoughts. You are controlled by your unnoticed reactions. The moment you notice a reaction happening, the habit starts to lose power. Awareness is uncomfortable for a reason. It interrupts the script your brain wants to run. That discomfort, that's growth knocking. Psychologists say change doesn't start with motivation. It starts with interruption. 3 simple steps. Catch the reaction. I'm reacting right now. Pause for 5 seconds. This gives control back to you. Choose one small, different response. Not perfect, just different. That's how new neural pathways are built, one interruption at a time. Most people don't need a new life. They need a new pause. Because the moment you stop reacting, you stop living on autopilot. And when autopilot turns off, choice turns on. If this video made you uncomfortable, good. That means your brain noticed something it usually ignores. And that's where change begins. If you want more psychology like this, stay here. Your mind is just getting started.